Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics here with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to pair the Google Pixel Buds to your phone. So I got the Google phone here. If you're just a normal user, you just go into the settings, go onto the Bluetooth menu, and then open up the bud and hold the button on the back for 10 seconds until it starts blinking, then it'll show up. But this is for the Google users on their phone. So to get the Google Pixel Buds app, you go ahead and click on that, and then you go ahead and open your case so you can see the orange indicator, and you go ahead and hit the back button back here and hold the button for 5 seconds to 10 seconds until it starts blinking white. And then you'll automatically see it want to pair to the phone. Click connect, click setup, and then normal person would actually go in through the setup, but since I already know how to use them, I don't need to go through the setup. I'll just skip for now with the tutorial. So the left bud is 53% charged, 63% charged on the right side. That means they are paired in the case. It tells you how much the percentage is on the case. So now you open them up. They'll detect once they're in your ear. And then once they detect, the case disappears and then the buds just appear. That means they're both active. You can always rename the buds by clicking the pencil icon here and just putting your buds. I usually just get rid of the name and then just have Pixel Buds. And that is how you pair the Pixel Buds to your Google phone or any other phone. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.